Good day, everyone. Well, I'm here at the sugar shack today. I was in here 2 days ago boiling away, but then I got a sore throat 2 nights ago, and yesterday I was down and out on the couch. Could barely move, but I'm still not feeling 100% today. But I need to get my boil on because we had a really good day yesterday, I believe. I gotta go check my totes, but I think they're probably going to be at least half full from yesterday. But here we go. We got just the oil tank evaporator here, fired up this morning. We got it going. Very good boil going on 2 days ago. I think I got this one figured out now. I got it sealed up really well. Once I check the stop today, there's lots out there. I'm firing up the big boy here. So we're gonna really pump some syrup out. It's a really weird season. Right now it's halfway through March, and last year by this time I already had, let me guess, by 40 to 50 liters of syrup. So I think it's gonna be a short and fast season this year. But I already have like 50 pre-orders of syrup pre-ordered, so I'm kind of freaking out because I need it for myself for the year. Hopefully I can get my 200 to 250 liters this year again of syrup made. We'll see what happens. But anyways, guys, there we go. Stay tuned. I'll be doing a live probably when my voice is feeling better. Maybe Sunday, if I'm up for it, we'll do a live from the sugar shack. Hope you're all doing well. We'll see you out there. Have a great day.